The recipe for hair loss is finally here. If you're on the keto diet and you have been losing your hair due to lack of nutrients, this recipe is for you. Now let me back up a little bit and tell you my story. All the way through 2017, I was on strict keto and I lost all my weight during that year. Weight loss, great. However, I felt like I lost half of my hair. And here is a picture. I normally wear my hair right down to my waist, and I was in such despair and desperate that I thought that if I cut it all off, then, at least it will look thicker, but no, it didn't. Just keep in mind that, like you, I was searching high and low for a solution that would fix my hair. Fast forward to 2022, here are some clips, and I even feel like in these clips my hairline is receding and I'm obviously hiding a bald patch that used to be, I think, in this section. So on the 20th of February of last year, 2023, I decided to cut my hair and start all over again using this recipe. My hair remedy has been through a journey in itself. I've been testing it for a year, yes, but so have a few other ladies, and I hope you don't mind Hope, but Hope has been very faithful with using the hair remedy and she loves it. Hopefully you'll get to see her comment pop up underneath this video. First, we started off with equal parts bergamot oil, rosemary oil, and red onion juice, and this is what it looked like. However, the ladies that were doing this with me said that they couldn't get rid of the onion smell, so we had to switch it up. We then replaced the red onion juice with castor oil, and while some of the ladies were more happy that the smell was now gone, they found it a much more gentler solution. So we had to go back to the drawing board. And this is what the new solution looks like. It's odorless, however, it has the power of fresh and pure onion juice. I'm not a doctor or a medical professional. However, I have done this experiment for 1 year, and together with the other ladies who have done it with me, we can attest that it actually works on several different types of hair. Also, we have packaged this in a plastic spray bottle so that it's really lightweight and shipping will be cheaper for you. You can order it no matter where in the world you are. So how do we use it? First, you shake your bottle so you make sure that all your solution is one consistency and color. 30 minutes before you wash your hair, because you will need to let the solution sit on your scalp for about 30 minutes. You're going to part your hair about 1 inch apart and make sure that you spray down each pathway and then give it a great big massage. Before I started using this solution, I was losing a golf ball size. I'm not going to show you a hairball because you know what it looks like and it's pretty gross. But I was losing about a golf ball size of hair every time I washed it. And from the first time I used the solution, it went down to a pea size. My hair is stronger. I don't have not one split end, and my hair is pretty porous. I have very tight curled hair, and because of the straightening, the hair dryer, and all the heat that I apply to it, my hair should be pretty damaged and I don't have any split ends. I was also surprised to learn that my hair grows really fast using the solution too. And no, I don't have any fibers in my hair. It's all mine. The next thing you will notice is that there's an improvement in your hair. Your hair's more shiny and it feels more full. It's gonna feel full before it actually gets full. Then things get a little bit crazy. You start sprouting hair, and then you have to learn how to manage thick hair all over again. And as I said before, the fast growth, that is also something that you will notice. I found that the hair follicle is actually not getting the nutrients it needs. And so that's why it's important to spray your scalp and spray everywhere, because you're getting to the root of your problem. Other than that, watch for your hair products, your shampoo and conditioner that you use. Some of the cheaper shampoos are too strong. They literally strip your hair and they are loaded with sulfates. I've been using Redken for, from the time I was working, which was the age of about 20, I started buying Redken, but I used to use the blue one, which was for dry, damaged hair and used to infuse moisture. Like I said before, my hair is porous and prone to damage, and that's why I was using the blue one. However, I've been using this ever since my hair fell out. It's a volumizing, and it takes care of my hair, which is prone to damage, and you can see it looks undamaged, and it volumizes it a little bit. I highly recommend this shampoo if you're not sure where to go or if you're unhappy with your shampoo. And if you don't want to use this one, look for a vegan or clean type shampoo that won't have any sulfates. To shop my Alexa, go to cookwithmel.com. I will leave a link in the description box for you. And also, I just want to thank all those who participated in this experiment with me. And if you get to try it, let me know what you think and how you're going. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.